Welcome to our project, Halso. My name is Muhammad Abu Ali. Alongside my partners, Abed Kharouba and Fuad Haloumi, we created an app which connects between clients searching for a service and businesses providing that service. It works like a bridge, connecting these two sides. Now, a client can choose between many services, each of them belonging to a certain category. Imagine that he feels like eating Italian. He will go search for the category of restaurants and go search for Italian restaurants. Now, depending on which distance he feels like traversing, he can increase the area of search or decrease it. For example, perhaps a client living in Haifa does not want to go to Jerusalem. He has that ability to reduce the area of search. And businesses have the option and the ability to present themselves to the clients in the best way possible by creating a marketable logo, a fantastic description, and a beautiful gallery of pictures. Also, they can see the reviews that other users and other clients give them so that they may become better and provide better services to the clients that they seek to win. Now for the demo. We will start by visiting the app, and we're greeted with a login screen where we can sign in using email, Google or Facebook accounts. Now when we click on the logo, we can choose one between two logos. The logo of the businessman represents the business side of the app. The clean logo presents the client side of the app. We will sign in using Google account, and we are greeted with this screen, which basically asks me, how far is the furthest business I'm willing to go to? Either 100 kilometers, any number, between 0.5 kilometers and 100. For the time being, let's put it at 52. Then we are greeted with the map, which zooms in to fill in the radius that I have chosen, the distance of search. Now, as we can see, here are the businesses inside this area. If I were to click at the business in Tel Aviv, then there will be a pop-up of the name of the business and what it does and its category. If we click on that pop-up, it will send us directly to the page of that business. Here we can see the logo, the description, the reviews, and who reviewed them. In addition to the gallery and the option to go there using Waze. Now let's say that I like this business. I can add it to my favorites by pressing the heart button. If we go to our profile, we can see that it's added to the favorites. The category is miscellaneous, and here's the name of the business. Now I can also change the radius of the search at any time that I want. Also, if I click on the name of the business, I will visit its page. However, I can remove it by pressing the delete button. Let's see what the list view has to offer. As you can see here, I have many categories. In each category, I have businesses, the name of the business, and how far it is. If I were to review it, let's say 3 stars, and let's write expensive gas. We can clearly see that it updates. And now we have 3 stars next to the name of the business. Now let's switch to the business side. The first screen when I enter the business side, it shows me what I need to do in order to present my business to the world. I can add a logo, Let's say that I want a pet store. We'll check the categories and we can see that no category fits my business description, which makes it a miscellaneous business. Let's call it Pets for All, and as a description, we give pets to homes who will welcome them. I can add a few pictures. And I can set a location. I can save my business. Now let's go back and review it as a user. You can see that I'm not greeted with the distance screen at the start because it basically asks me what I want one time and gives me the option to change it from the user setting menu anytime I want. So miscellaneous, pets for all. Let's give it 5 stars. Now we will log out, enter the business side, and we can see that we have an average of 5 stars rating, and we can see the reviews that the clients have given us. Now for the technical aspects of our application. We used Firestore in order to save users, their data, and their logins. We used the storage of Firebase in order to save pictures that the businesses upload. We used Work Manager in order to upload those pictures on the side of businesses and download them to the side of client. We used Picasso in order to draw these images in the client side. Now we used obviously Map to showcase our location and location services to follow us wherever we go, which gets updated every 3 to 5 seconds. Thank you for being here.